Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Kuromi from Sanrio, so let's get started. To draw this cute white rabbit, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw an angle line down. So this is going to be the top of her eye. And then from there, I'm just going to go ahead and connect it with the bottom of a U, go all the way back up. Just creating this little slant right here. And then you're going to come out, continuing that slant up for some lashes. And one more right here. And since I'm here, I'm just going to go ahead and shade this all in black. So it's this angle line right here that makes her look very mischievous, right? Okay, so now that I have that one eye in, I'm going to use this as my guide. I'm going to come right across to say about right here, a little bit wider, say about right there. And we're going to draw the same thing. Just go up with an angle. Try to match same as the other side and come down with the bottom of the U and connect. And then once again, go up, continuing for some lashes. I'm just sticking these up and shade this in. So thank you for all the love for these Sanrio characters I've been drawing lately. And definitely let me know which other ones you want me to draw that I haven't already drawn in the comments below. Okay, so now that we have her eyes in, let's come in between her eyes right here about in the center, and we're just going to draw this little oval for her nose. So a little curve and then just connect it there right in the center, and right underneath this nose we're going to give her this little smile. So just going to be a little bit higher on this side and go across. And then we're just going to widen it up a little bit with another curve. And I'll just cap this part off. There. Nice and mischievous, right? For Kuromi here. Then from there, we're going to have to frame her face. So let's find our center between the eyes and go up. Say about right here. I'll just give myself a point. I'm going to start from there. And I want to draw an angle line right here to draw this hat that she's wearing. So I'm going to go all the way up to about right here. So not past the eye, so say about right here of your eye, and draw same thing on the other side. Go up, just like the other side. Make sure it's about the same level, about right there. And then from there, we're going to start to curve all the way down. So we're going to go around the eye, and same thing here. Around the eye. Then we're going to come right underneath. So right underneath the mouth, let's say find our center, let's just say about right here. I'll give myself a point. Just makes it easier for me to see where I'm going. And I'm just going to round this off and connect right to my point. So same thing on this side. Round it off and connect. There. Now that we have this in, I'm going to go ahead and draw her big head. So let's come right here. We're just going to taper this out. So just imagine this outside part and nice big curve. And we're just going to imagine this going all the way around nice and big. So just continue my way up. Just work on this side first. Nice and high, and I'll just pick a point. So let's say about right here. I'll just give myself a point. And I'm going to go up. My guide. If you're drawing pretty small, you don't have to put these points, but this is just way easier for me to see where I'm going when I'm drawing so big. But you just want this big head. And just step back, and if you need to adjust it, definitely you can do that, higher or lower. Okay, so then now I have my top right here. I'm going to go ahead and draw the same thing at the other side. So same thing, connecting back all the way. There. Okay, nice and high, right? Just this big dumpling shape. Then from there, let's come in the center. We're going to draw this pink skull that she has. So right here in the center, just give myself a point, come right across, say about right here, 2 points right in the center, and we're going to start to draw across the teeth of our skull. And I'll put 2 lines right here in the center. And then we're going to go up. So nice and round and high for the skull. And connect them right back. And then we're going to draw some eyes. So right here, we just draw 2 ovals at a slant. And same thing here. There. Okay, so then now we have these ears we need to draw. So I'm going to come in this area right here. And let's just start about right here. I'll just go ahead here and let's say here. Nice and big. I'll just give myself 2 angles. And I'll find the center. So say about right here, nice and big. And from this point, I'm going to go ahead and connect. So whatever is easiest for you to draw this shape. And connect. And then at the top right here, we're going to add a circle. There. So we want to do the same thing on the other side. So just drag a point across right here, if you're drawing big, and here. And we're just going to go up once again, just like the other side, and here. Find your center, go out to, say about right here, approximately the same as the other side. And then we're just going to go ahead and connect. And same thing here. There, and at the top, another circle. So that's pretty much it for her head. Now let's go ahead and draw her collar, her jester collar right here. So I'll say about right here, kind of like where her eye is. I'll just come right here and draw an angle line out. Same thing here, about here, nice and centered. Draw angle line out, and we're going to draw, let's see here, 4 of these points. So I'm just going to go ahead and go 1, and we're going to have a center. So let's say about right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw another one towards the center, and same thing. So up, down, and across. There. And then we have, we'll draw the circles a little bit later, see how much room we have, how big we can make them. But in this area, right underneath the eye, right here, we're going to draw a curve for our little body. So about right here and here, just a slight curve for the body. And then we're going to round this off with our feet. And let's find our center. So about right here, just give myself a point, and from here I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve and another curve, and then connect. So going up slightly and connect. There. And then our hands, so about in this area, shoulders coming out. Go right here, draw a curve, and then a finger, the hands. So same thing over here. Curve, and then the hands, another curve. There. And then let's go ahead and fill in these circles. So 1, 2, 3, and 1 more. And let's see, oh, and of course we have a tail, or devil tail, right? So let's come right about here and draw a curve that comes out. It's going to be a little bit wider as we come out. Let's widen it a little bit, and then we're going to add this triangle right here. There. So depending if you want your Kuromi to be black or dark gray. If it's black, then you would shade that all black. But I'll leave it for now. I think I might make it like a dark gray so you can see it a little bit better. But we'll see. And last but not least, I'm going to add a little heart right here to make her my jaw so cute. Kuromi from Sanrio. And that is pretty much it for this drawing. I really hope I helped you draw her fun and easy. And if you loved it and I helped you out, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.